Do you wonder where Miss Universe 2024 gets her breathtaking looks? I believe I know the answer. A wholesome eating plan could be the secret weapon. Get ready to discover a treasure trove of beauty, health, and confidence. It's a way of eating that's worthy of a crown. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD. Born in the chilly climes of Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland, the Nordic diet is all about fresh, local, and seasonal foods. The key components: whole grains, berries, fatty fish, lean meats, and a rainbow of vegetables. You've seen the glow of Miss Universe 2024. Well, the Nordic diet could have a lot to do with that. The abundance of antioxidants in berries and vegetables fight free radicals, resulting in naturally luminous skin. And for hair, omega-3 fatty acids from all that delicious fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines give you lush locks like they came straight from a shampoo commercial. The kicker is that this diet isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with foods that help maintain a healthy weight so you can feel confident and comfortable, whether in a stunning gown or your favorite pair of jeans. The Nordic Diet's edge? Seasonal local produce. We're talking apples, plums, and berries. Add to that some cruciferous and root vegetables too. These are nutrient powerhouses. The array of produce featured in the Nordic diet is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And because they're local and seasonal, you're getting the freshest, most nutrient-dense produce possible. But the Nordic diet isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling fantastic too. Studies have shown that this way of eating can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. And energy? Oh, you'll have plenty of that. The Nordic diet is designed to provide steady, sustainable energy throughout the day. All that dietary fiber controls the release of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those spikes and crashes that's responsible for those dreaded energy slumps. This means endurance, even on a relentless schedule. Plus, fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to manage your weight. Now let's come back to the omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish and some nuts. They support cognitive function, potentially boosting memory and quick thinking. Imagine swiftly answering tricky questions with wit, or more practically, nailing that important presentation at work. The Nordic diet could be a weapon for mental sharpness. You may be thinking, how do I do this? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Roast some carrots or turnips. Add a cup of Brussels sprouts to the mix. Then top with grilled salmon. Finally, drizzle with a dill and lemon dressing. And voila, a winner's meal in minutes. So there you have it, folks. The Nordic diet in all its glory. It's not just about looking good in a swimsuit, although that's a nice bonus. It's about supporting your health from the inside out. Why not give it a try? You too might just attract the attention of the universe.